Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am the man, the myth, the legend, the pro se felon. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the state of Indiana's use of hypnotizing witnesses prior to trial. Now, I know a lot of you have never heard of this practice before, but this is a common practice in the state of Indiana. For an example, in Sims versus State, 2013, unpublished opinion, the post-conviction court concluded that the state's non-disclosure of the fact that the state's only witness was hypnotized prior to trial did not materially affect the outcome of trial. Let me read that one more time for you. The post-conviction court concluded that the state's non-disclosure of the fact that the state's only witness was hypnotized prior to trial did not materially affect the outcome of trial. So the fact that the state of Indiana hypnotized a witness prior to trial had no effect whatsoever on the trial. That conviction was upheld by the Indiana Court of Appeals. In Taylor versus State, 2007, unpublished opinion, the state's chief witness testified in court while on the stand that she had been hypnotized. So here you have it, a witness on stand telling the judge that they was hypnotized before a trial. Apparently that case either did not materially affect the outcome of trial because the Indiana Supreme Court upheld that conviction. In Morgan versus State, the appellate court held that it was not error to admit testimony from witnesses whose recollection had been refreshed by hypnosis. That case, too, was also upheld by the Indiana Court of Appeals. In King versus State, 2003, on the second day of trial, King moved for a mistrial. He claimed that the witness was hypnotized prior to giving her recorded statements to police, and that before hypnotically refreshed testimony could be admitted, the court needed to conduct an evidentiary hearing to determine the nature of the hypnosis. Well, needless to say, the Indiana appellate courts upheld that conviction, and I guess no one needed to determine what the nature of that hypnosis was. I think this is very disturbing because there are a lot of innocent people in jail, in prison, due to hypnotically refreshed testimony that is being used to convict people. So let me know what you think about this. Drop some comments. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's not? Do you think that the use of hypnotically refreshed testimony is a good thing in our trial courts or whatever? Let me know. Until next time, I am the man, the myth, the legend, the pro se felon.